Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we discuss meaning, nature, definition, and scope, and also significance of public policy. ये मैंने आपको पहले भी नोट्स जो लिखे थे उसमें मैंने आपको ये सब कुछ डिस्कस किया था, लेकिन आज हम बुक से थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करेंगे। सो आपको जोन सा ईजी लगे आप अपने लिए उससे नोट्स बना लें। तो अब हम अपने टॉपिक की तरफ आ जाते हैं। मीनिंग एंड नेचर ऑफ पब्लिक पॉलिसी। Public policies are as old as government. Whatever is the form, oligarchy, monarchy, aristocracy, tyranny, democracy, etc. Whenever government have existed, public policies have been formulated and implemented to cope with the varied troubles and demands of the people. The government has to create several policies. These policies are called public policies. Now we discuss definition of public policy. Before explaining the meaning of public policy, let us first go through some of its definition. Robert Einstein conditions public policy as the relationship of government unit to its environment. Thomas R. Dye says that public policy is whatever government choose to do or not to do. Richard Rose says that public policy is not a decision, it is a course or pattern of activity. It is clear that public policy are governmental decisions and are actually the result of activities which the government undertake in pursuance of certain goals and activities. Now discuss nature of public policy. It is very much evident that policy might take different procedure like legislation, executive orders, or the official acts. They actually comprise of a set of intention or objectives, a combination of devices or means for attainment of intentions. A description of governmental or non-governmental units indicted with the accountability of transporting out the intentions and distribution of resources for the necessary task. To recognize public policy, it is very much needed to examine the nature a policy may contain with specific or general, broad or narrow, simple or complex, public or private, written or unwritten, explicit or implicit, discretionary or detailed, and quantitative or qualitative. From the perspective of public policies, action of government could be put broadly into two groups, and they are definite or specific policies, and the second one is general, vague, and inconsistent policies. Now we discuss scope of public policy. It is a noteworthy discipline. Examination and practice mean while the appearance of public policy as a field of investigation, it has extended in theoretical scope and application. A noteworthy amount of the study of public policy contain of the growth of situation of current style in several developing countries. There is excessive burden on the government to speed up the growth of the nation, make usage of modern and applicable technological invention, accept and enable essential institution alteration, upsurge the production of the nation, make total usage of human and other resources, and advance the level of living standard. These tendencies and growth have hence improved both the magnitude and possibility of the public policy. Now we discuss significance of public policy. It is evident that the public policy is a significant factor in the democratic government, and it emphasizes on the public and its problem. In fact, it is a discipline which is branded as public. The concept of public policy assumes that there is an area of life which is totally individual but said in public. Likewise, public policies have a significant purpose to work in the society where the democracy is prevailing. This important role of the public policy is to make the society to lead a better life and to maintain the delivery of the goods and service are significant. It is regarded as the mechanism for developing economic social system, a procedure for determining the future and so on. If you understand these notes, so please like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.